Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With me Kartati. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make link to invite someone who will attend our meeting via Teams. First of all, you can see here the calendars. So you can click calendar. Then click new meeting. I would like to make a class of mine, so I will add the title descriptive text. Okay, descriptive text, and I don't wanna add specific attendees because I would like to make it public and everybody can join in my class. And I will set the date here. Well, let me set the date for tomorrow, 24th April, and let's start in the morning so all the students can join in it. I will choose 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. so we will have a meeting at 1 for an hour and a half. I see here every weekday on Monday to Friday, so every day on those days the meeting is open. I add the channel SMP Negeri 2 Blora, and then I click here learning English with Miss Kartati, and I will type the details here. Hello dear guys, we are going to learn about descriptive text. Okay, we have to say descriptive text, and then I send here, and I have this calendar here now. And now I am back to the Teams here, SMP Negeri 2 Blora, and I'm going to click here, and let's find here the descriptive text occurs every workday from Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. and there are 3 dots here that we can click to make option view meeting details. Then it will show you the time zone here, UTC +7. So we have the same time zone, Bangkok, Hanoi, Jakarta, and well, now we have this 3 dots meeting option, and we will click the meeting option. Okay, it takes a little while. It is still loading. Okay, now you see descriptive text occurs every Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. With me Kartati Sukahar, and who can bypass the lobby? I will have it everyone. Actually, my students have all the school account, but I just would like to show you how I use everyone here, so everyone can have the link and can join the meeting that I have here. And then who can present, I also click everyone. Actually there are some, if people in my organization, it means that people in my organization only, and they need their email, and specific people mean specific people. I can for example choose the specific students who can present here, but now I just use everyone, and then I save. Okay, everything is done now. We are back here in the meet. Okay, and here you can see, okay, join Microsoft Teams, and we can click here and copy link address. To make it simple, we go to shorten it by bit.ly, and here we are gonna to create and we paste the long URL here, and I create, and I would like to add the title descriptive text, and here I can copy and I will share with my students. Okay, here. Okay, so this is the way how we make a link that everybody can access. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.